Hello students, now we will see question number 6 of exercise 6.3. Now in previous video we have seen question number 5. Question number 6 is similar like question number 5. Here they were asking that by which smallest number we will multiply to make these numbers perfect square. Okay, so we have multiplied. Now in question number 6 we have to divide. So first of all we will take out the factor of this, and then the factor which is not 2 times, the factor which is only 1 time, that number we will remove it by division. So the question is, for each of the following numbers find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Now these numbers which are given in the question, they are not perfect squares. Okay, so we have to find out that by which number we will divide it. कौन से छोटे नंबर से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे so that this number becomes a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square of the number so obtained. Okay, and after dividing, divide करने के बाद जो नया नंबर मिलेगा उस नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट भी निकालना है. So also we have to find out the square root of the number. So this question 6 is same as question 5. Here we have multiplied. Okay, here we have multiplied, and here now we will do division. So let us see question number 6. Okay, so one by one we will see the solution of question number 6. So first one is, this is our first question, 252. So again first we will take out the factor of 252 by prime factorization method. We will start with 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 6s are 12. Now again 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. Now we will take 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. So these are the factors of 252. Now if you see these factors, this 2 is in pair, this 3 is in pair, this 7 is one time. Okay, there is no pair of 7. So the question is which number we will divide by. Okay, so 7 we want to remove. Okay, to make it a perfect square. If you remove 7, this number becomes a perfect square. So we have to remove 7 from this number. So how we will remove? So we will divide this by 7 because 7 is only one time. So first we will write the factors of 252. What factors we are getting? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So these are the factors that we are getting now. So this 7 is only one time. So if this 7 is removed by division, so whatever is left, that number will be a perfect square. So what we have to do? We have to divide both sides by 7. So write down, it should be divided by 7. So by 7 we have to divide. Why? Because 7 we want to remove. Okay, so both sides we will divide by 7. So here 252 and this side 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. These are the factors. Now this also we will divide by 7 and this whole also we will divide by 7. Okay, so here 7 and 7 cancelled, and here also cancellation is possible with 7. So we will cancel it. So 7 1s are, and this will be 7 3s are 21. So 5 minus 1, 4 is left, 42 means 7 6 are. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you are not comfortable in cancellation like this, you can divide on the side. 252 divide by 7. This way you can divide. Okay, answer will be same. And after division you will get 36, and that you can write down. So either you can do cancellation or you can divide here by 7 on the side and then you can write down. So 36 we are getting, and this side, this 1 7 which was extra. Okay, 7 was having no pair. So this 7 is now removed. So this side 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. So this is left. Now this new number 36 which we got, it is a perfect square number. Okay, because these two are in pair. We can see that. And 36 means 6 6. So now this new number we are getting after dividing by 7. So ये जो नया number आया है 7 से divide करने के बाद 36. अब ये number perfect square है. Now they are asking also find the square root of this number so obtained. So ये जो number मिला है इसका square root निकाल देंगे. So square root of 36. So again these are the remaining factors. So this we have to write it inside root. Okay. Now as you know these are in 2 2 pair. When we will take it outside the root, we will write only one time. So 2 is 2 time, we will write it 1 time. 3 is 2 time, we will write it 1 time. So 2 3s is 6. So square root of 36 will be 6. So this is our answer. Now next question is, this is second question, 2925. Now again we will take out the factor of 2925. Okay. So last digit is 5. So you can start with 5. But it is also possible with 3. So we will start with 3. Okay. So 3 9s are 27. 2 left. So 2 and 2 22. So 3 7s are 21. Now 1 left. 3 5s are 15. Now here 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. And 3 5s are 15. Okay. Again we will take the table of, now here the table of 3 is not possible. Okay, ये 3 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा. How? You can check by divisibility rules. 3 plus 2 6 and 6 plus 5 11. So 11 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता है. So this number also will not come. So now we have to change. We will take with 5. So 5 6 are 30. Now 2 is left. So 2 5 25 means 5 5s are. Okay, again 5. So it will be 5. So 5 65s are 325. Okay. Now again we will do with 5. So it will be 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. 13. Now 13 is prime number. So we have to take directly 13 1s are 13. So these are the factors of 2925. Now we will write down the factors over here. So 2925 equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 13. So these are the factors. Now as you can see, this 3 is 2 times, 5 is 2 times. 13 is only 1 time. There is no pair of 13. So this 13 should be removed. So if 13 is removed, okay, this number will become a perfect square number. So we have to divide by 13. So now this number we have to divide by 13. So it should be divided by 13. So that we will write down that it should be divided by 13. Now again both sides we will divide by 13. So here 2925 divided by 13, and this side 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13 divided by 13. Okay, so both sides we will divide by 13. Now here 13 and 13 cancel. Here 2925 divided by 13, you can cancel it orally, or if you are not comfortable you can divide on the side by division method. You can divide and check. So if you cancel it, this will be 13 1s are, and here it will be 13 2s are 26. So 7 8 9, 3 left. So 3 and 2, 32 is left. So again we will take 13 2s are 26, and then we will take 13 5s are. So 13 5s are we will get. Okay, if you wish you can divide on the side this way. 2925 divide by 13. This way you can divide and check if you are not comfortable by orally. So 2 to 5 we are getting after cancellation. So this side 2 to 5, and this side 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. So now these are in pair, and this 13 and 13 is removed. So now 2 to 5 is our new number. After dividing by 13, 13 is removed. Okay. So this is our new number that is obtained by division. Now this number is a perfect square number. Okay, that we know this is a perfect square number because these are in pair. Okay, so we have to find out square root of 2 to 5. So this side square root of 3 into 3 and 5 into 5. So they are inside the root. So we will take it one time. So 3 is 2 time. We will write 1 time. 5 also we will write 1 time. So 3 5s are 15. So square root of 2 to 5 is 15. So this is our answer. So this is the new number that is obtained. Square number is 2 to 5 and square root of 2 to 5 is 15. So this was second question. Now third question is 396. So third question is 396. So now we will take out the factor of 396. So 396 we will start with 2. So 2 1s are 2. 1 left, 2 9s are 18, again 1 left, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 9s are 18, 1 left, again 2 9s are 18. Now 99 is odd number. So now we have to change. So we will take 3. So 3 3s are 9, again 3 3s are 9. Now 3 ones are and 3 ones are. Now 11, so 11 ones are 11. So these are the factors of 396. So we will write here 396. These factors we will write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Okay, now as you can see, this 2 is 2 times, 3 is 2 times, but this 11 is only 1 time. So this 11 should be removed. Okay, so we have to divide by 11. So write down that it should be divided by 11. So this number, this 396, we have to divide by 11. So it should be divided by 11. So now we will divide by 11 on both the sides. So our next step will be 396. First we will write down these all factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Okay, so this is 2 time, this is 2 time, and this is only 1 time. So this number which is 1 time, that we will remove. So we will divide. So 396, both side we will divide by 11. Here also and these factors also. So 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 11, divide by 11. Here 11 and 11 will get cancelled off. Here also cancellation is possible with 11. So 11 ones are, and here 11 threes are 33. 33. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So 6 is left, means 66. So 11 6 are. So 36 we are getting this side, and this side these factors are left, 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. So now 36 is a perfect square number. Okay, both side we have divided by 11. 11 was extra part that we have removed. Okay, so here 36 is perfect square number. Now we will find out square root of 36. So these factors we will write inside root. So 2 is 2 times. So okay, we will write it 1 time. 3 is 2 times. We will write it 1 time. So 2 3s is 6. So 36 is the new number. Okay, so 36 is the new number which is perfect square number, and this 6 is the square root of 36. So this is the solution of third one. So first, second and third sum you understood. Okay, now there are more 3 sums, fourth, fifth and sixth one. Okay, so that 3 sums you will try yourself, and if there is any doubt just let me know. I am always ready to help you out. Okay, so just drop message in the inbox if there is any doubt.